Hi, I'm Gary Smith with the City of Plano. I want to talk to you for 1 minute about maintaining your trees. We have three areas of concern. We have the sidewalk, the street, and the alley. And let's talk about the sidewalk first. Make sure all tree limbs are at least 7 feet over the sidewalk, and even with the sidewalk. If there's shrubs or limbs going into the sidewalk, make sure you trim those off even. We want to make sure people can walk underneath the limb, or that they can go through there with a stroller or a wheelchair with no problem. In terms of the alley, we want to make sure you maintain the trees 14 feet over the alley and 1 foot back from the edge. In terms of the street, we want to make sure you maintain the street limbs at least 14 feet, even with the edge of the curb. And both of these are due because we're concerned about emergency vehicles, trash trucks, and others having an effect and hitting the limbs and having damage. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like for us to come measure it, please give Neighborhood Services a call. And thanks for watching this Property Maintenance Minute.